Okay, so we are in WordPress and we've come to templates. I'm going to click on import templates. We're going to go ahead and choose a file. As you can see, it says it needs to be a JSON file. Choose file. Oops, let me go back to downloads. And here it is. It's Tripwire Lynn Collection Money with Robin. I'm going to click on open that and click on import. Now, I'm just going to click enable and import. Before you import though, just make sure that you have already downloaded Elementor. Well, you can't download without Elementor, but you need to make sure you also have on the Elementor add-ons, essential add-on, because it's not going to work without it. There we go. So now I'm going to create a whole new page now. So let's add a page. Add new. And we're going to just call this test. Edit with Elementor. And I'm just going to change this here to Elementor Canvas because, well, you can change it here, but it should also load right away as well. And you're going to click on that little file and go to My Templates. And it has here Tripwire Lynn Collection, and we want to insert that. Apply. And there you go. You have now inserted, you've downloaded, imported, inserted the template.